Maybe I don't wanna know the way home, taking on a journey. I got places to go. Wanna chase a miracle. It's possible. You just gotta open the door.
Darling, it's cold out there. Don't fear the road, just come along with me. You're not alone out there. Let's write a song, make up the melody. If you're looking for me, baby, you know you can find me following the sun. Somewhere running up my heartbeat, I don't look behind me, following the sun. Following the sun.
Come and give your love away. Don't play it safe. I'ma let you fall, but I won't let you break. Wanna chase the sunset. Are you ready yet? We won't get this chance every day.
Darling, it's cold out there. Don't fear the road, just come along with me. You're not alone out there. Let's write a song, make up the melody. If you're looking for me, baby, you know you can find me following the sun. Somewhere running up my heartbeat, I don't look behind me, following the sun. Following the sun. Following the sun. You can lean on. You can lean on me. You can lean on. You can lean on me. If you're looking for me, baby, you know you can find me following the sun. Somewhere running up my heartbeat, I don't look behind me, following the sun. Following the sun. Following the sun. You can lean on. You can lean on me. You can lean on. You can lean on me. It starts with
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you tried. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me. I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside